Did you know the IRS shuts down the e-file system right around Thanksgiving and right before Christmas? They shut down the e-file system to perform just general maintenance before the tax season starts. The good news is the e-file system is going to open up. January 15th is when the business returns can be filed, and then on Monday, January 27th, your personal tax returns are going to be filed. Now, during that shutdown period, you have to paper file your tax returns. Unless there is a really good reason to paper file a tax return, I generally don't paper file tax returns. And one of the reasons why is the IRS loses paper documents. So much so that during the pandemic, they shredded 30 million unprocessed tax returns. And then their rationale had to do with their inadequate technology. So that was one of the reasons why Congress was trying to give the Internal Revenue Service more money, in theory, in order to fix their antiquated tax system. We'll see what Doge is going to do related to fixing the Internal Revenue Service's technology. Elon Musk, with as much money and smarts that he has, he should be able to come up with a way for us to fix our antiquated technology with the IRS. So I tend to avoid filing paper tax returns, again, unless there's a strategy that allows us to do it. And you can find the Inspector General's audit of why 30 million tax returns were ultimately shredded. Again, they're gonna make excuses as to why they shredded so many tax returns. I have an attorney that I go to see. He conducts seminars, pretty high-priced, high-powered attorney. And he says when he paper files, it's so bad that he will take a video of him driving to the post office. He will take a video of the tax return, the paper return. He'll make sure the video has the social security number, the name, it has all the dates. He will videotape himself putting the tax return in the letter, the certified letter. He will videotape the letter, sealing the letter, dropping it in the mailbox, and he will make sure he has a way to record the date that he actually recorded, that he actually mailed the tax return to the IRS, because he has been told in audits and court cases that there was no proof that the taxpayer actually mailed the tax return. So again, if there's any way, to e-file the return and to avoid filing paper returns, that's exactly what I tend to do. I want to e-file because at least I have some kind of record. Because the IRS is notorious about losing documents. And I've had situations where we've mailed documents to the IRS and it's taken them years and years and years, months and months and months to find those documents. And it's taken us years to get responses from the IRS. So the tax window is going to open up. Tax returns are going to be able to be filed. Business returns can get filed on January 15th. Individual returns will be able to get filed on Monday, January 27th. So that tax season has officially begun.